Hello everyone. So today we are going to install Julia and Jupyter Notebook on Windows subsystem for Linux. So here, first of all, we will have to open our PowerShell. So you can see we have to install. We can check all the distros available for WSL Ubuntu on online. So we'll be using Ubuntu, which is friendly name Ubuntu. So let me use the command wsl-install and then Ubuntu. I'll use caps. It will take some time. As it's asking username to us, we will use Julia password. As we see installation is successful, let us see the version. It has installed. It is 22.04. Release and code name is Jammy. Now to install Julia, we need to go to let's see Julia lang. Okay, we download. The best way to install Julia is to use Julia version manager. You can click on this. It will lead us to the GitHub repo. And here we can see we do have a command line for Mac and Linux. So we'll copy this, paste it here. I'll proceed with the installation. So it should take some time. Cool. So I'll load now. So after loading this bash RC and profile, Julia REPL should be available to us. Now to install Julia notebook. So if you have worked with IPython, so you should be similar with like iJulia. So what we'll do, we'll just try using iJulia first. So you can see it clearly says there is no package available. So to install any new package in Julia, it's simple. We just need to go import package and then package dot add and use the package name and Julia. So I'll wait until it gets installed. Okay, now so we have successfully installed Julia on our system and also iJulia. So if I import the package now using iJulia, it should work. Yes. So now we should have Jupyter Notebook and Lab available. So you can see. But we want to use Jupyter Lab, so how we can do it? So let me just try Jupyter Lab. It is asking me to install Conda, Jupyter via Conda. Let's wait till installation completes. So as you can see, it has installed, but we are not able to see any browser or any of the notebook profile. The reason is that we don't have any browser installed on our WSL Ubuntu. So let me press Ctrl C. So we'll first exit from the Julia terminal and search Julia apps on running GUI apps on WSL2. Let's see where it goes. So you can directly go to this browser. Here you have option to install both GUI, both Chrome and Edge. You can also install Firefox, but I will install Edge. I'll use Edge beta version rather than stable version because it has latest releases. So we'll go here. And of course, we are doing development. So you can copy this, paste it. Now we can see Microsoft Edge is installed on our Windows subsystem for Linux. So if we want to run this, let's see. Okay, we have two, Microsoft Edge and Microsoft Beta. I'll just enter Microsoft Edge. So you can see, you'll see Microsoft Edge like this to be appear on your system. Just to accept and get started. And I will keep focused, confirm. Will not sign in data. So right now we have installed browser on our WSL Ubuntu, and we can also say we can launch it from our app. Now I'll just close this. Again, go back to Julia terminal. We'll go using iJulia. And then we will be doing Jupyter Lab. And here I'll just enter right now like this. So if we run, let's see what happens. As you can see, you will be able to see one profile. Now I'll be using Julia 1.9.2 latest version. And here, let me just do x equals to 2. And then println x. Yep, so we have successfully installed Julia on our system. Stay tuned, we'll be back with more courses. Thank you.